Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will model this plate cam in AutoCAD. We will use this drawing to create this part. So let's go to AutoCAD and let's make it. So first of all, I will drag this to here. You can see I am using AutoCAD 2021, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to our drawing. First of all, we will start with these center lines. You can see this distance is 75 millimeters. And then we will make the circles of R40 and R20. So go to AutoCAD. And I will select line tool. I will create one line having dimension 75 millimeters. Now I will go to circle command. I will select center with radius and I will make one circle having radius 40. I will snap this endpoint and I will write 40. Similarly, I will write 20 for this circle. Circle center with radius, snap its endpoint and write down 20. Now we have to create this arc. You can see the radius given is 150. So all we have to do is to use AutoCAD 1010 radius command. So I will go to here circle, and this time I will be using this command 1010 radius or tangent radius. It is asking select the first tangent circle. So I will select this one. And then it is asking second tangent, so I will select this one. And the radius is 150. And select OK. Similarly, we have to create this R55. You can see it is also 1010 circle. So go to AutoCAD. 1010 radius. I will select this circle as my first tangent circle. I will select this circle as my second tangent circle, and the radius given is 55. So I will change it to 55 millimeters. Press enter key, and now you can see your geometry. Now we have to trim some unnecessary part. So all we have to do is to select this command trim, press enter key. I will delete this part. I will delete this inner circle, and I will delete these lines and these circles. I will delete this line, and now we have to create some center lines. So I will change my layer to center, and I will go to annotate, and here I will select this command center mark. Also we have to create let's say one line, or maybe we can drag this to here. Okay. Now we can use the match properties command in order to match the font size of this line. So go to here command line, write down MA, that is match properties. We have to match the same properties of these lines over here. Okay. You can drag this a little bit. Now I will change my layer to dimension layer. So go to home, change my layer to dimension or dim, and then we will create some dimensions. For example, this dimension is 75. Now I will change my dimension to radial. You can see in this drawing as well. So this is 20, press enter key. This is 40. Press enter key again. This radius is R150 and this would be, I guess, 55. Press enter key to repeat the previous command, and this is R55. Now you can see the font size is small, so we have to use the match properties command. Write down MA, select the source object. I will select these dimensions, and you can see the font size and arrows are changing. Lastly, we have to apply some line weight to the object lines. So for this, let's hide the dimension layer and let's hide the centerline layer. I will select the object line or object layer and I will change this from 0.25 to 0.3. Now I will put on all my layers. Okay. Now I will write some text. So I will go to my layers and I will select this one. I will go to here text, multi-line text, and I will write plate cam. I will click here. Now you can see the scale is very small. So I will do the same command, match properties, select this one. You can see the text font is not correct. So double click it, select all, go to here text style. And I will select this one, Times New Roman, change it to bold. And now you can see this is the same text style. So that's how you can create simple 2D drawings or 2D illustrations in AutoCAD. Here is an important message as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.